Hello mga kasipat! Good morning mga kasipat! Now mga kasipat, I have something to just introduce to you today mga kasipat. I have here mga kasipat, what we call in the Philippines, it's hambis mga kasipat. Tambis mga kasipat. Oh. Tambis. This tambis mga kasipat, a Philippine fruit mga kasipat, fruit mga kasipat. It is the most fruit that is being forsaken mga kasipat or taken for granted mga kasipat, because tambis in the Philippines are so many mga kasipat that this is being taken for granted already mga kasipat. Yes, mga kasipat. But don't you know mga kasipat that this tambis in English mga kasipat, it is what we call a water apple. Water apple mga kasipat. This is very delicious mga kasipat. This water apple is consists of a great nutrients mga kasipat. A bell-shaped mga kasipat fruit mga kasipat. Diba? Let's taste mga kasipat. This is very delicious mga kasipat.
No.
Don't you know mga kasipat that tambis mga kasipat has a very high hydration mga kasipat, because it 50% or 60% of tambis mga kasipat consists of water mga kasipat. It boosts your immunity mga kasipat. Yes! It boosts your immunity, and then mga kasipat, it makes your skin mga kasipat more glowing and glowing mga kasipat. And mga kasipat, it also gives you mga kasipat immunity boosting mga kasipat. What is immunity boosting? It is to fight against microbial mga kasipat, mga microorganisms that will comes into your body. Yes, mga kasipat. And also mga kasipat, it gives iron, calcium, and potassium mga kasipat. Potassium is good for your heart. Iron mga kasipat is very important in our body, because it is the one who carries, it makes our blood to carry the oxygenated blood in our heart in order for us to breathe very good. Okay mga kasipat, that's why this is very important mga kasipat. So we need to eat tambis mga kasipat in order to maintain our immune system very strong mga kasipat, to have a higher bone density strong mga kasipat, because tambis is many nutrients in here mga kasipat. We just don't know, because we just take for granted tambis because it's very not expensive. Nah. Alright mga kasipat, so now I'm encouraging you to eat tambis because it is very delicious mga kasipat. It promotes mga kasipat hydration mga kasipat in your body. Yeah, we need water in body in order to eliminate the waste product of our body mga kasipat. So we need this mga kasipat, special now. It is very hot in here because the sun is very hot mga kasipat. So we need water in our body, and we need tambis there to take away the doctors away. Right? Take away the yes mga kasipat. Ito na po yung mga tambis mga kasipat. Ano ba? Delicious. Please follow and share mga kasipat for more educational information. Bye-bye. I love you so much.